Welcome to the Keto Meal Prep video. In this video, we will give you tips, tricks, and meal ideas to help you get started with the keto diet. Keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been proven to help with weight loss, improved energy, improved mental clarity, and various other benefits. If you are new to keto, it can be overwhelming and challenging to get started. Meal prepping is an essential technique that will help you stick to your keto diet. In this video, we will give you our best tips and ideas for keto meal prepping. Let us get started. Before we dive into the meal ideas, let us cover some basics of keto meal prep. First, you need to have a meal plan for the week. This plan will help you to stay on track and avoid unhealthy food choices. Second, you need to have a grocery list. Shopping with a list will help you save time and money. Third, you need to batch cook your protein, vegetables, and healthy fats. This will save you time and make meal prep much more manageable. Finally, you need to have a good storage system for your prepared meals. Mason jars, glass meal prep containers, and freezer bags are excellent options. Now, let us get into keto meal prep ideas. First, you can start by making keto breakfast muffins with eggs, cheese, bacon, and vegetables. These muffins are easy to make, and you can store them in the fridge or freezer. Second, you can prepare a keto-friendly chicken stir-fry with broccoli, mushrooms, and bell peppers. Third, you can make a big batch of keto chili with beef, tomatoes, and spices. You can store it in the fridge or freezer for future meals. Fourth, you can make keto spaghetti with zucchini noodles, ground beef, and tomato sauce. Finally, you can make a keto casserole with cauliflower rice, shredded chicken, and cheese. These are just a few examples of keto meal prep ideas. You can find more recipes online and adjust them to your preference. Meal prepping is the key to success when you are on the keto diet. With these tips and ideas, you can start prepping your keto meals and stay on track with your health and fitness goals. Remember to have a meal plan, grocery list, batch cook your food, and store your meals properly. We hope this video has been helpful and informative for you. Thanks for watching.